Oh, this is gonna be one of those days, isn't it?
Soldja Boy up in it. Why me crack it? Why me crack that Soldja Boy? That Superman that. Now why me crack that Soldja? 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 Now why?
I need a corporal. You're it until you're dead, or till I find somebody better.
Oh, my wedding vows. Thank you.
You have the right to remain sexy. Anything you say can and will make me bust a nut.
Commander Sendak.
And cover nipples.
Cover nipples.
Hey, I'm hardened at this point. I'm ready for anything. Wait, I lied! I was not ready for anything. Nope, no, so much nope.
My boyfriend's back and you're gonna get in trouble. Hey la, my boyfriend.
How come when Bogey drinks during the day, people think he's sophisticated, but when I do it, all I hear is, "Get off our Little League field."
America's Got Talent! This is amazing! I wouldn't have missed this for the world. I even turned down a really big job to be here. Yeah, have you ever seen Disney Channel? Well, I was gonna babysit two little girls that really like Disney Channel. Let's talk about that for a minute. I am not a high school graduate. I haven't even been to high school. I don't have a driver's license. I can't even sit in the front seat. I'm still on safety scissors, people. But you are going to leave your beloved child, the one who is carrying on your name to the next generation, with me. My only qualification to be a babysitter is that I used to be a baby. I mean, that's crazy. That's like saying, hey, you're sick a lot. You want to be my doctor? Or weren't you the host of a reality show? You want to be president of the United States?
My boyfriend's back and you're gonna get in trouble. Hey la, my boyfriend.
Wait, I have something to say first. I need to come clean, and I'm afraid this may change the way you all think about me. Just so there are no secrets between us anymore, I can't man up.
When I go, I want all the stuff in my brain stored in a giant ship.
Well, what do you know? It's not every day you see the stupidest thing you've ever seen.
Oh yeah? Well, the amount of information you have, Keith, could be...
Yeah?
It's less than what I have.
Oh, good one, Lance. Shay, you're alive!
My boyfriend's back and you're gonna get in trouble. Hey la, my boyfriend.
I'm not gay, guys, that ain't me. I'm just comfortable with my sexuality. So I can admit when I see a guy who has a handsome face and pretty eyes and a rock-hard chest and rippling abs, yeah, and the tightest ass and those sculpted calves and those bulging quads and the perfect bod and oh my god, take your pants off. Fuck it. I'm so gay. I'm fucking gay. I'm the dude wearing nail polish yelling, hey! I'm the dude at the party who will grab your butt. And when you turn around and look at me, I'll be like, what?
And Mr. McNamara was an asshole. And one weekend, he and his wife decided to leave town, which you should never do if you're an asshole. Jake McNamara decided to throw a party at the teacher's house. Hooray! And everyone around town heard about it, and we all got up individually and thought, okay, let's go over there and destroy the place.
I need you tonight.
Whoa! Someone said, like, something police. And in a brilliant moment of word association, I yelled, fuck the police! Fuck the police! And everyone else joined in. 100 drunk white children yelling, "Fuck, duh, police." With the confidence of guys who have, like, already been to jail and aren't afraid of it anymore. You know, that, like, I serve my nickel, you come and take me confidence. But white children.
Eleanor Rigby picks up the rights in the church where a wedding has been. Lives in a dream, waits at the window, wearing the face that she keeps in a jar by the door. Who is it for?